There's nothing better than stretching a giant rainbow whenever you are bored or stressed. Or putting your hand into an Orbeez cake. Or maybe covering your entire kitchen with Milky Way chocolate. At any rate, you won't be bored with our stress balls and slimes. The blue-eyed girl is getting ready for an international Queen of Bubbles competition. She has to blow the biggest bubble of gum. But unfortunately, she can't pull it off. Either her jaw is not suitable, or she doesn't have enough air in her lungs. The blue-eyed girl tries out different options. She tries to do it while sitting and laying down, but the result doesn't change. Then Samantha comes to the rescue. She brings a giant jar of soft bubble gum for her friend so she's not stressed. Cut memory foam into a few pieces. Cut them to be of the same size as pieces of bubble gum. Color an empty protein container pink using spray paint. Put the foam bubble gum inside. Print out an Orbit label and attach it to the container. The blue-eyed girl squeezes soft bubble gum. This is so satisfying! My hands and mind relax right away. The effect is obvious. The blue-eyed girl immediately blows a big bubble. Phew! Her bubble talent is back! Thanks, Giant Orbit! Dolly is bored. Cindy is late again. There is not a lot to entertain yourself with when you're sitting on a bench. You can explore the environment, do a neck massage, sunbathe, and finally she shows up! Cindy made an anti-stress cake for her friend to keep her from getting angry. Coat a round box with a sand-colored paint. Cover the lid using light clay with balls. Shape glaze drops and attach them to the box. Use clay of different colors. Cover the entire lid and the box along the perimeter. Attach yellow and light green layers on top. Decorate the clay with little pom-poms. Attach a pink bouncy ball to the center. Cover wire with light green clay. Shape a stem and a cherry leaf. Make veins on the leaf using a modeling tool. Hot glue the stem to the ball. Cover Orbeez with water and let them soak through. Put big, colorful balls into the box. Dolly is amazed when she takes a look at the new cake. You can't eat this glaze, silly! This dessert will make your fingers happy, because you can take light clay right from the top and shape it into whatever you want. But that's not all yet. There is also some funny anti-stress filling hidden inside the cake. It's an Orbeez flavored cake. They look like giant caviar laid by magic fish. They are soft and bouncy, and they will certainly cheer you up. It's so nice to touch these cold Orbeez. You can juggle with them and look at the sun through them. This cake is the funniest anti-stress dessert. The blue-eyed girl is busy with her favorite hobby. She's choosing the best angle for her selfie. Samantha is sick and tired of her friend's selfie passion. She will cheer herself up with a bag of Skittles. But no candy can hide from the blue-eyed girl's sharp eyes. And if Samantha isn't willing to share, then it's time to use some rainbow magic. Let's use a gigantic filter on the Skittles. It's Maxi Anti-Stress Skittles now. Cover a thermal bag with spray paint. Cut off the side seams and the handle. Attach a big Skittles label to the center. Mix cornstarch with clear stationery glue. Add acrylic paint. Pour in some liquid laundry detergent. Mix the slime. Sprinkle it with baking soda so that it doesn't stick. Make bright slimes by adding different colors of paints. Put stripes of slime inside the thermal bag. And hot glue the bag. The blue-eyed girl takes a real rainbow from the bag, and it's endless! This is the most rainbow slime in the universe. You can feel like a rainbow queen. Try stretching it into different directions. Mix the colors, and they will still be bright. You can even leave your rainbow fingerprints. Ah, it's such a pity that it's not edible. The girls got bored. What should they do today? All of a sudden, a magic ball appears in Dolly's hands. Oops! This ball is made from a cluster of energy. It's impossible to sit still with it. Take a rubber ball and a silicone tube. Wrap the tube around the ball and cut off the excess. Dissolve acrylic paint in water. Cover one end of the tube with hot glue. Stick a funnel into the other and pour the dissolved paint in it. Add glycerin, some glitter, and beads. Hot glue the other end of the tube. Dissolve one more paint color in water and pour it into the second piece of the tube. Make a few tubes of different colors the same way. Put the tubes onto the ball and hot glue the ends. The Wacky ball takes Dolly away. Dolly could easily run to the North Pole with this ball. And Cindy just watches her running around. No way! Dolly hands it over to Cindy. She should get a boost of energy next. This ball can easily substitute a full workout. Let it jump alone, otherwise our legs will hurt from running that much. You can use this ball only when you are extremely lazy or sad. Samantha leaves a big bucket with a yummy unattended. She shouldn't have done that. The blue-eyed girl immediately hears Milky Way calling her name. Let's arrange a feast for my stomach. But it turns out that this chocolate spread is not normal at all. It's suspicious that it stretches out when you take it with a spoon. Samantha comes just in time. You don't take this Milky Way with a spoon, you take it with your hands. Take 2 containers with stationery glue. Squeeze out shaving foam and add brown acrylic paint. Pour in some liquid laundry detergent and mix it. Knead the chocolate slime. Add shaving foam and laundry detergent to the other container. Mix white slime. Take a big plastic bucket. Cover the lid with blue acrylic paint. Paint the rim of the bucket the same way. Put layers of chocolate and white slime inside. Close the lid and attach a big Milky Way label to the lid and to the bucket. This giant slime looks like an actual double-colored chocolate spread, but its task is to calm our hands down and not our stomachs. It doesn't leave any traces in the kitchen, unlike actual chocolate. You can poke and squeeze it and quickly put it back into the bucket. This chocolate spread will bring you a ton of fun and 0 calories. Cindy wants to munch on something. She hopes her friend has some bubblegum or a candy. But as always, Dolly has a better offer. It's a giant Starburst. Shape light clay with balls into 2 squares with borders. Mix stationery glue, a few drops of coloring, and laundry detergent. Mix the slime. Put it into the squares and connect 2 halves of the maxi candy. Wrap it with colored paper and attach a Starburst logo. This is not just a candy, this is a stress reliever. There is a layer of light clay outside and a raspberry slime inside. Wow! This gigantic candy can calm you down better than any bubblegum because you can't stretch a regular Starburst in all directions. But you can do that with ours. Did you like our giant slimes and stress balls? Then write in the comments which giant anti-stress idea will you try out with your friends. Will you stretch out a big rainbow, or will you make a soft and bouncy bubble gum? And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new anti-stress ideas on Troom Troom.